This is the view of mountains in Nabi, and this is one of the homestay where we are staying. And let me show you the room. This one is neat and clean. So this is one of the room, and they are charging like 1200 for a night per person. And this is our room. It's pretty messy, but yeah, same thing. 6 people, 2 double bed and 1 single bed, 1200 per person. That's the bathroom, and this is the view for our room. And you can see 2 telephone towers over here. One is of BSNL, the other one is Jio. Oh, today is 28 June 2025, and this is today is our second day of the trip. Yesterday it was the first day. We started from Pithoragarh to Dharchula, which we covered around 6 to 7 hours, and we reached Nabi on 4 or 5 o'clock. And today from Nabi we are heading towards Adi Kailash. Yep. And this is second day morning. Adi Kailash. Sun is shining very bright. Then this is our homestay, and this is the view. And this is your Nabi main road. And all these are your homestays, I think you can say. And the price is about 1000 to 1200 per bed per person per night. So this is a lot of homestays are under constructions. See, so maybe हाँ बढ़िया सा बनाओ घर, बढ़िया सा घर बनाओ. So maybe in coming years you will feel lot of homestay. वही तो अगली बार आप ही के साथ रहेंगे. So this is it. See now, weather is in our favor. Sun is shining. So let's see. So here is our Thar. You know the view? Amazing, no? Wow. Wow. यहाँ बनेंगे अच्छी वीडियो. फोटो लेते हैं. हाँ फोटो लेते हैं. पीछे पहाड़ अच्छा है करके. हाँ यहाँ पे आगे पूरा फोटो नहीं वाली कोई में. हाँ फोटो लेगा ना. फोटो है.
शायद ये पलायन को रोके और रिवर्स पलायन यहाँ को हो। और बड़ा अच्छा सा यहाँ पर एक कुटी गाँव क्या कह रहा है
ITBP। कितने पत्थर है? फोटो भी अच्छी आएगी। इधर साइड में आगे खींचे फोटो। इधर चौड़ी है रोड, इधर राइट साइड। बहुत ही ठंडी हवा है यार बाहर तो, चिल्ड एकदम सारा। आराम से। So finally we have reached the Jolly Kong spot, and this is where you park your vehicle, and that's your Adi Kailash hai na? That's your Adi Kailash, and there's this food trek made, and this way goes to your Parvati Kund. So after how many 2-3 hours of drive we have finally reached Jolly Kong. The roads are really beautiful. There is hardly any broken roads. So roads after Nabi till Jolly Kong, it's really beautiful. It's really comfortable. So now we will trek to Parvati Kund first. Then after that, Parvati Kund के बाद क्या है? There is one more stop after Parvati Kund. So we will be going to that place as well. So let's go. So अभी 9:45 हो रखे हैं and we have started our trek. First we would be going to Parvati Kund. We have hired a guide for us and he was asking like for $1,500. Finally we settled down for 1,300. He said he will take us to all the points, Parvati Kund, Bhim ki Kheti, all over there till Gauri Kund, and finally to that famous temple where everybody takes the picture. So it will be a whole parikrama. So it's 9:45. We have started our trek. Let's see how much time we take to complete this parikrama. Weather is really good. Sun is shining and the weather is really good. Weather is in our favor, you can say that. So let's see. Finally the first ascent has started. People are using Khachar also to travel, but we will be using our feet. So this is like waterline pipe that will be going to all the shops and all the huts, homestays, or you can say the hotels over there. It's still under construction, not yet completed. Yeah. I think so. Just one hurdle has been crossed. Let's see how the next hurdle looks like. Next hurdle seems fine, okay, compared to this. Okay, we came from that side. This seems to be pretty normal, nothing very stressful. It's like a normal inclination, so it's easy to walk over here. But yeah, conserve your energy and don't talk too much. People have started to open their jackets now because of that steep inclination, the heat generated by the body. Now people are sweating from inside. So we are close to Parvati Kund. Okay, truly speaking, after that inclination the trek is normal. It's not that hard. Yep, anybody can do it. अपने पहले पड़ाव के पास पहुंचते हुए reaching towards our first destination, पार्वती कुंड. टाइम कितना हो गया? टाइम कितना हुआ? टाइम कितना हो गया? Okay, the time right now is 10:03, so almost it took 15 minutes to reach this point. So you can say half an hour to reach our destination at normal speed. It's fine. So not a lot of journey. Half an hour to our first destination, that is Parvati Kund. Shivi Shakti, Shivi Shanti. And what is written on the other side? Adi Kailash is the journey of the soul beyond the physical here. पानी भरने के लिए आदि कैलाश. बादल हटने लग गए हैं, so hopefully we'll be able to see the Adi Kailash. Oh my, सबका स्वागत है. This is a famous place, a famous mandir, temple. पार्वती कुंड इसके पीछे. Nicely maintained place. Famous, what a friend of Mahadev, you can say that. It's Nandi. And there is something written as the Kailash group and this also. चल जा बजा. So after spending like 1 hour at Parvati Sarovar, now we are heading towards Bhim ke Khet. It's very famous spot over here. बोलते हैं ये अपने आप उग जाते हैं. You don't have to grow it. They grow by themselves. So let's see Bhim ke Khet. Again we need to trek that place. Everything seems to fine. I think so that inclination is going to be the challenging part. After that, we will be going towards Gaurikund. That's another trek. So let's go. So finally we are at the top. Yeah, it is a little bit tough, little bit the initial part, but yeah, later on it seems fine. And you see now everything is like decline only. There's hardly inclination. So here it is. The clouds are moving and the Kailash view is getting clear. Finally from the top you can view that Bhim ke Khet, and that's your trek for the Gaurikund. So that's, I'm not sure whether you can see that water coming up from that spot, from the top, that is your Gaurikund. So we would be going there as well. And this is your Bhim ke Khet. So finally we are close to the Bhim ke Khet. These are nothing but your rice crops, but you don't eat this because this belongs to the god. So we don't eat this. And the best thing is about this, it grows automatically. Nobody has to work on these fields. Let's see what's written on the board. समिति धान की खेती के बीच में जाना मना है. भीम की खेती. Finally we have started our descent towards Gaurikund. So after the great descent, here comes the great ascent towards Great Gauri Kund. People have started to take off their jackets. Seems they have started to feel hot. So finally we have started our journey towards Gaurikund. Road seems to be fine. Not that good, but yeah, manageable at the moment. Let's see how's it as we ascend. I hope it is the same. So the time right now is around 12 o'clock. So we started our journey considered like 11:45. So let's see how much time we take to reach Gaurikund, a normal person, a common man. Though the inclination is not so much, but it's really tiring if you are not used to trek or walk, or if you don't belong to a hilly area, then it will be very hard for you. It's not so hard, but you have to take your own time, you have to take your own pace. So finally, after one hour of trekking, we are about to reach Gaurikund. But truly speaking, this trek is really hard. Though there is no steepness, but it's very tiring. So if you want to do it carefully. So we are about to reach Gaurikund after 1 hour of hard work and breathtaking trekking and views. Finally, we are at Gaurikund. We are getting more close to Gaurikund with our guide. See, it's very steep stones. You may fall also, so be careful. Choose your own path, choose your own track, whatever suits you. And the breeze is really good, and it's really, I won't say really chilly, but it's still chilly. And people have milled this pitto. Oh my god. So finally the Adi Kailash trip is successful. Covered all the spots in one piece. Bum bum bole. So this is the Gaurikund. Welcome to Adi Kailash.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.